Hey, this is Kent Hamilton with 346 Media, and you got SEO.com. Today I want to go over something that's fairly simple but very powerful technique to get you to the top of Google in a matter of minutes. No kidding. Usually you create a website, you wait for it to get indexed in Google, and then you do search engine optimization on the website to get it to move up in the search engine. Well, Google has something called the Google Maps, which is in your local business center in your Google account. So what you first need to do is sign up for a Google account. I'm not going to do that because I've already done that, but let's just go sign in. Well, let me back that up. Let me first show you what a Google Map listing is. Let's type in a keyword to show you what it's not. Let's use water damage. Okay, you see how paid listings come up at the top, paid listings at the right, and here there are the natural search results, which is what we try to get from our search engine optimization techniques. Now what happens is a Google Map listing will come up whenever you type in a local listing. For instance, let's type in water damage Atlanta. Okay, you see what happens here. The thing that shows up on top is a map. This is the Google Map listing. This is separate from the natural or paid results, and it's something that's triggered by local area information. It's very easy to get listed on one of these, and in a matter of minutes from the time you create one of these, you could be listed in here above all these, which takes months to do sometimes. So let's just go into my account, sign in, go to Google account settings, and where you create a Google Map listing is in your local business center. So click on that. Alright, and what I've done is I have a few listings I've already created. What you would do is click on Add New Listing. Since I've already done that, I'm going to click on Edit, which is essentially the same page except for the fields are already pre-populated because I've created one. Some of the general things you have to enter are things like your country, your company name, the street address, which it needs to be the correct street address of your business, the city, state, zip code. The more information you provide, the more detailed it will be for Google Maps, and the more likely they will bring you to the top of the search engine, even to the top of the Google Map listings as well. You need to enter a correct phone number here because they will call that number to verify that this is an actual listing and a correct phone number. They'll call you, the phone number you enter here, they'll call you after you save this, give you a code that you have to enter to verify. So give a correct number here. The most important thing, I mean, you can enter your email address, your website, description. This is helpful. The most important thing is to enter categories. What you want to do is actually enter categories that Google has listed in its index already. What I mean is when you start typing in a keyword, it automatically brings up categories that they already have. And why that's important is because they will know how to categorize your listing, and you will get better search results from this. So what I generally do, and it works very well, is you pick a couple of categories that are in Google's index database already, and then you create your own. And this is one of the key things that a lot of people don't do. You actually enter keywords in here, not too many because Google will mark that as spam, but a few in here, and you also list the areas you want to come up in. So I have reading glasses, sunglasses, where I'm located, some more keywords like bifocal reading glasses, folding reading glasses, reading sunglasses, etc. So I'm going to show you after I enter Operating hours, you can enter this or select not to. Like I said, the more information you enter, the better for Google. Select your payment options, which is the kind of payments you accept. Add a photo. I have not done that on this one, but I suggest doing that, as well as a video if you have any pertaining to your business. And this is just another place, they say add additional details, where you can enter a key pair value, like brands, and then, which I did, and this is just to allow me to put more keywords in here. It's not really sneaky, but it is not exactly what Google's looking for, but it does help you come up in the search results whenever somebody types in these keywords. Click submit. I'm not going to do that because I already have this created, and it will create what we have over here. Now let me show you what you actually see in Google for the one I have actually created for myself. We'll type in designer reading glasses Swanee. I happen to be the only one listed here, which is awesome. That generally doesn't happen. But here's what I want to show you. I created this, and within minutes I was listed here above every organic search result in here. And this listing right here within the search engine is clicked on more obviously than any of these paid listings, because it is #1 and somewhat organic. So this is basically the how-to of how to create one, the results you can expect, and no kidding, this happens within minutes. So give it a try and see if it doesn't work for you.